hello once again for something that maybe is a little different than you're used to seeing. So we previously did the unboxing of the McDonald's Happy Meal, the Marvels edition, and now we're going to do an unboxing of the hamburger, the McDonald's hamburger. I'm loving it. And so let's just take it and we'll get started. So signature wrapping as always. So there's the sandwich right there. As you can see, when you open it up, it's a face down sandwich, which is interesting. So we'll go ahead here. I already have some pre-staged fries on a plate. So we'll put that here. We're gonna take this wrapper and we're gonna gently place it off to the side. Now look at that sandwich. So we're gonna go ahead and do, it appears to be almost pieces, like spots of mold. I think it's actually grease from the, it's actually grease, but we'll go ahead and we'll do a little unboxing here. So look at that. So my sandwich, now look at that. Wow, I got lucky. As you can see here, I got one pickle, one very thinly sliced pickle, and I even got a little bit of ketchup and mustard. Now, the onions, you can tell on a hamburger, are very sparse and interspersed throughout the burger, but probably doesn't even equal one slice of onion in the scheme of things. The patty, as you can see, is also sliced thin. Thinly sliced patty. The one good thing about a thinly sliced patty like this that I've been told is that there's less fat. All right. And then here's the bottom. As you can see, the onions, some of the onions are falling off there, but really that would only equal a small portion of an onion. But now the critical part is when you're putting it back together, you have to make sure you incorporate the fries into the equation, because if you don't, then that doesn't, I don't know if it really counts as a tasty burger or not. So I'm gonna put these fries back on so we can properly form our sandwich. Put some more on, we put them on this way, log cabin style. Okay, and that's when we will reinsert our patty. Remember, when we took the patty off initially, the ketchup and the mustard was face up. Yeah, the other way, and then we'll put the top bun right back on there. There you go. McDonald's hamburger. Wow, look at that. Thank you all for watching. Reminder: this is the Marvels edition Happy Meal. It came with the toy, the Honest, the drink, and all that. So, thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one.